Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 crash and then your PC restart. So when you play the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your PC and it simply get crashed and your PC keep restart, then here follow the fixes. In Windows search, type Windows Security and then open it. Then click on Device Security. Then click on Core Isolation Details and make sure to turn it off. If kernel mode hardware info stack protection is turned on, then turn it off. And then you can go ahead, launch Black Ops 7 and check if your problem is fixed or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now if it doesn't work for you, then turn off the memory integrity as well. Click as to allow, and after the memory integrity is turned off, then you can go ahead, just restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, then go ahead, launch Black Ops 7 and check if your problem is solved or not. And then you can play the game. And after playing the Black Ops 7, you can just turn it on back. So by these two methods, you can easily fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 crash and PC restart issue. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.